All right, tell me what you see, buddy. This is kind of a little living room area.
Yeah.
Look at that dining room.
I love
that
this.
nice?
I love this.
Mom would love this. Whole coffee bar. Today you had some coffee. Did you drink the whole cup?
No.
I thought you liked coffee.
I do, only 8 of it.
How much counter space? You can sleep here, Jaymin.
Maybe not.
Yeah, we could buy this and this would be your bedroom.
No.
You could have Thanksgiving,
And-
Christmas.
and movie.
The movie section.
This is master bedroom.
Whoa. This could be your bedroom.
Maybe not. Maybe not.
That's a
And-
really nice bathtub, actually. You forgot something? I got you. Everything's been remodeled, right?
Yeah.
Everything's really nice. All right, so that's the west wing of the house. Now let's go look at the southeast wing of the house. 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. You want to live here?
Yeah.
I want to live here too. Let's talk to Mom. This place has everything.
Yeah.
Like seriously, this is like a retreat center. It's a solar panel. And you know what it does?
Sun. And
The
that.
sun hits that, and then what happens? Power. It powers the house. Should we give this to Mom for her birthday?
Yes.
It's the most affordable luxury home in California. Jaymin, how many garage doors are there?
4.
4. Huh? You counted quick. Okay, let me see your stroke. Okay, ready? Good job. What do you think about this house? Tell Mom we want it.
Yes. Me.
Should we buy the house?
Yeah.
Let's turn the video off because I don't want people to buy it. This place is pretty amazing, and it's all landscape so beautiful. A place to make your smash burgers.
You make it good.
You like my, are my smash burgers the best burgers?
Yes, you are.
You're my boy.
You're my dad.
Yeah. Ugh. Message me with any questions for Jaymin or me.